back, everyone, to Weekend Cruiser. Last episode, thanks to Tim, we had our first sail on Tina. It was a great day out on the ocean, but now it's time to get sailing lessons and get certified to Weekend Cruise. This is what we're after, a competent cruise certificate by the Royal Yacht Association. I went with sea to sky sailing, and although this is not a review, I thought the 3-day, 2-night course was fantastic. I learned so much and built confidence and skills out on the water. The first day we headed out from Horseshoe Bay, and it was really fun to just go out on the water and not know where we were going to go and kind of work with the winds to get as much practicing as we could. Our journey ended up at the first night near Keats Island. The next day, we were up really early and we headed out. We were sailing upwind along the Sunshine Coast past Gibson's, and we ended up at Smuggler's Cove, which was the furthest north on our trip, and it was one of the coolest places that I've ever been on a boat, and it was so much fun to learn how to get in there and anchor the boat. Hey everybody, thanks for watching this episode. Let me know in the comments what kind of sailing lessons you've had and where they took you, and if you like them or not. I'd love to know. Until next time, see you in the next video.